Welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today we're exploring 7 incredibly budget-friendly Florida homes, each packed with charm, value, and lifestyle potential. Let's jump right in. 1. North Fort Myers, Florida, $39,500. Our first stop is a cozy 2-bed, 2-bath retreat offering 960 square feet of comfortable living in North Fort Myers. This charming cottage-style home has an inviting open layout with high ceilings, updated vinyl flooring, and a spacious primary suite featuring a walk-in closet and private bath. Recent 2023 updates add exceptional value: a new roof, new AC, new carport, fresh plumbing and wiring, updated kitchen cabinets, Corian countertops, and modern appliances, including a Whirlpool washer and dryer. Outside, enjoy a screened room, a storage workshop, and parking for up to 3 vehicles. Located inside Terra Woods, a secure 55-plus gated community, residents enjoy resort-style amenities: pools, hot tub, sauna, tennis, pickleball, clubhouse events, fitness room, crafts, and optional RV or boat storage. Affordable, updated, and packed with lifestyle perks, this home makes Florida living incredibly accessible. 2. Riverview, Florida, $69,500. Next, we head to Riverview for a peaceful 2-bed, 2-bath cottage tucked beneath beautiful oak trees. At 932 square feet, this home delivers a warm, inviting layout with an open living room and eat-in kitchen, perfect for daily comfort or weekend getaways. Both bedrooms are generously sized, with the primary offering a full wall of closet space. Outside, you'll find a storage shed ideal for tools or hobbies. The community itself is a standout. Residents enjoy a heated pool, jacuzzi, library, shuffleboard, walking trails, a dog park, scenic ponds, fountains, and an active clubhouse full of events. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and a new medical facility, it's the perfect blend of nature, comfort, and convenience. 3. Tampa, Florida, $99,000. Home number 3 is a move-in ready 4-bed, 2-bath property located in the heart of Tampa. This all-ages, pet-friendly community offers excellent amenities, including 2 swimming pools, 4 playgrounds, and easy access to shopping, dining, and local attractions. With central AC, heating, laundry, and an open layout, this home is a practical choice for growing families or anyone looking for an affordable Tampa address. With lot rent at $910, it delivers comfortable living in one of Florida's most desirable metropolitan areas. 4. Avon Park, Florida, $28,598. At number 4, we visit a charming 2-bed, 1-bath home in a friendly 55-plus community in Avon Park. This home features fresh updates throughout: new electrical panel, new plumbing, new water heater, new flooring, new fixtures, fresh paint inside and out, and an upgraded bathroom. The kitchen includes a built-in oven, countertop stove, dishwasher, microwave, and even dishes and pans, making it truly move-in ready. The home also includes a family room add-on, wheelchair-accessible ramp, 2 small outdoor decks, a screened room, and multiple storage spaces. Located minutes from shopping, restaurants, Sebring, and within an hour of Orlando and Florida's beaches, it offers exceptional value and easy living in a peaceful community. $5. Plant City, Florida, $29,777. Number 5 takes us to Plant City for a fully furnished 2-bed, 1.5-bath cottage with beautiful golf course views. This cozy 686-square-foot home features an open living dining layout, a well-appointed kitchen with ample cabinetry, newer appliances, and great natural light. Each bedroom sits on opposite ends for added privacy, with the primary bedroom offering an ensuite half bath and a bright bay window. The lanai overlooks the golf course, perfect for morning coffee or watching wildlife. With 2 storage sheds, laundry hookups, and parking for cars and a golf cart, this home is ready for snowbirds, retirees, or anyone dreaming of relaxed Florida living. $6. Indiantown, Florida, $27,500. Home number 6 is a 2-bed, 2-bath furnished property in the Indian Wood Golf and Country Club community. Featuring engineered hardwood in the kitchen and dining areas, a fully stocked kitchen, metal roof, and spotless upkeep throughout, this home reflects true pride of ownership. Residents enjoy a country club lifestyle with included utilities like lawn care, garbage, Wi-Fi, and basic cable, all covered in the lot payment. With a clubhouse, on-site grill, fitness center, and community events, this home delivers both comfort and convenience in a tranquil 55-plus setting. $7. Okeechobee, Florida, $34,200. Our final stop is a 3-bed, 2.5-bath home full of character and potential in Okeechobee. While it needs repairs, the layout offers unique features like a dedicated workshop, bonus room, and an old Florida-style bar room perfect for entertaining. The community provides access to a general store, clubhouse events, river access, boat dock, and optional low-cost slip rentals. Just 20 minutes from the Seminole Hard Rock Brighton Casino, this location delivers fishing, boating, and small-town Florida charm. For buyers willing to put in some work, this property offers big value and a relaxed lifestyle near the water. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. If you love affordable Florida homes, be sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more hidden gems across the U.S. See you in the next tour.